Hi, I'm Joe James, and in this video we're going to write a getSize function to get the size of a binary search tree in Python, the size being the number of nodes in the tree. So this is a binary search tree. Every binary search tree has a root node, which is the topmost node, and has a left and right subchild. The size of this tree, we can see there are 7 nodes. So we could count up the nodes by saying, well, the root node is 1, plus the size of the left subtree, plus the size of the right subtree. So if we can count up all the nodes in the left subtree and all the nodes in the right subtree, and we add 1 to that for the root node, then we have our solution. Then what we might want to do is drill further into these subtrees. The size of the left subtree, we could say, is 1 for this 3 node, which is kind of the root node of the left subtree, 1 plus the size of its 2 subtrees. So we have a left subtree and a right subtree, and if we can get the size of each of those two, and then we add 1 for the 3 node, we'll have the size of this tree. And we can do the same thing on the 8 subtree, 5's right subtree, starting with node 8. We can add 1 for node 8, and then we can add the size of its left subtree and the size of its right subtree. So we can see that this is a recursive solution. Each time we try to get the size of a tree, we have to add 1 plus the size of its left subtree plus its right subtree. So that's a recursive solution, and you're going to see how we code that in a second. Let's look at the Python code. So we have a tree class here, and then within the tree class we have a getSize function. And all the getSize function does in the tree class, it checks if there's a root node. And if there is, then we're going to call the getSize function in the node class using the root node as the calling object. So let's take a look at the node class's getSize function. Now this is a recursive function. You can see all the calls to itself right here within the function. First we're going to check and see if there's a left child and a right child. If there's both a left child and a right child, we're going to return 1 plus a recursive call to get the left child size plus get the right child size. If there's a left child only, then we'll return 1 plus the size of the left child. If there's a right child only, we'll return 1 plus the size of the right child. And our base case is there's no children. It's a leaf node. And then we return 1, so that's a leaf node. And that's it. That's our getSize function. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm Joe James. Thanks for watching.